Static electricity. Electricity that consists of isolated motionless charges such as those produced by friction is called static electricity. Hence, an imbalance of electric charges within or on the surface of a material which causes sparks or crackling or the attraction of dust or hair is known as static electricity. Now, origin of electric charges is atoms. There are two types of charges, positive and negative. Atom is electrically neutral as number of positive charges are equal to number of negative charges. Now, charging is caused by loss or gain of electrons. If electrons are lost, the body becomes positively charged. If electrons are gained, the body becomes negatively charged. Now, there are few methods of charging, like charging by friction, charging by conduction, charging by induction, or charging by polarization. We will study in detail about these methods of charging later on. Now, examples are rubbing ebonite rod with fur or rubbing glass rod with silk clothes. Thus, friction can transfer electrons between materials. Now, basic law of electrostatics states that like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other.